when I asked Padma, what is it that you want me to address, she said, tell your story. So today, I'm happy to share my small story with a few insights on what a company should be like. I hail from a small place called Chittoor. My father is a veterinary doctor. He studied in Mumbai. And I went to this school called Little Flower. Most of us would have gone to Little Flower convents. And after my 6th grade, my father put me in Chennai because being an educated man in those days, he realized the value of knowledge. And that's how I studied in Kalakshetra in Chennai, and then I went on to SIT and Ethiraj College. Those of you who know Chennai would know these institutions, very premier institutions even till date. And I did my master's in business management from PSG College of Technology. My father had this hatchery business, and I always grew up, because being 2 sisters, I always grew up to believe that I will be managing my dad's business. And as a child, my office and home were together. So I was very comfortable having, office people moving in and out of the house. So it was not intimidating for me that way. And once I finished my college and returned and started working with my dad, then came this proposal, very well settled, very well reputed family, the Inadu Ramoji family. And Mr. Kiran and my father-in-law, Ramoji Rao Garu, they visited us and they saw me. And when I spoke to Kiran, I made it very clear to him that I would want to be a career woman. I said I can't just remain as a housewife, because I grew up with the intention that I will be running a business. So that was very clear deal with Kiran Garu. So anyway, luckily for them also, Moy Garu, being a very, very broad-minded person, treated us like daughters till the end. He gave us ample opportunity, freedom to work. And that's how I was married to Kiran Garu and moved to Hyderabad. Having said that, finance was never my cup of tea. But the other businesses were taken up by the family members, and I had the option to manage Martharsi Chit Fund, which was a small business then, but still about 14 branches. My father-in-law wanted me to manage that. And I feared that if I reject that, I'll have to stay put at home, and I agreed to run that business. Why I always mention this is that every time you may not get to do what you want to do, but definitely you can like what you're doing if you develop the interest to do things, Yeah, thank you. So, one thing he told me is that I was 24-year-old then, 1990, and this company was 28-year-old. So the day I decided to go to office, he said, Shailaja, the people working in this company are working for 28 years now. That means they're older, their work life is older than your age. So naturally, they're not going to change for you. So you bear this in mind that you have to work with elderly people. And that was a very great advice, because I remembered that I had to really, what do I say? Oldu daggara pettukune, endukante peddallu kada. You can't take chances with senior colleagues. So yes, they taught me everything. And much later on, they would start taking my instructions. Once you know the business and you know the way forward, everybody will come around.